Angicha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo korosya chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoroisya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ekyo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ekyo chire chingiya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na buigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire cheri guririke iri gatigati wekari guri iri abantu batinu buigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye wochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora wikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho go musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera ase namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Ente kone kiwa chinsemo omoncho muliko neliziko lya lero niko toko chikoligereria senjira ya bene ebunge ya gose ebunge ya kaunti ya Nyamira ase abateneri bebunge yue ngokwanira aba speaker oyo okorokwa eno kero nabo igotadi nyabaro banyaka bagwikirana bosyo ubwe kamati ya senate yekoligereria amangana devolution atwanyaka bakurebirengerera byabo kubwa muno ase okungusana koligogenderete kwene kigwa ase ebunge ya kaunti yo ase gotebekananga nigebwate aba speaker babere abakirake babere aba chimesi ibere nabo igonone chisili ibere nebikaro ebigokoreka chinsemo ibere ebunge enene ye kaunti ya Nyamira nabo igo bunge mashinani nje nigongoro ku Haroni Ototo Nyangiri hoito kubwatira nere akorwa nsemo imanyirilio nigakoro kwa Wilson Makoli neke unga chinsa ibere kolende aya negati ali na kwariganiria semara kwa yalero
vacated orders that were granted staying the Gazette notices issued for the impeached Speaker Enoch Ogori Okero.
Senator, I was just kicked out, so I didn't have that opportunity.
So if you were kicked out,
abanogeri babere bebunge ye kaunti ya Nyamira Enoch Okero na Thaddeus Nyabaro goikabo sio bwe Senate.
I expect that if there are any changes, it is the county treasury that will alert me on the same.
ntweti tuligokora mirimo na muspika onde bwensi goteba abisi yo muteneri bwe budget gose COP
korusinari ndagera baminta serikali yaito soro na simba ngaibono bagenda gakimokonya banyina motagetobo ibiba kuchogirango
abayi egware kurwa chinsemo chia bugetenga ime ya South Mugirango kolera serikali ebakonye kuikera ligenelyo Mwanjomo ligereli korwa ase senati omochie o Nairobi nigo ababunge be county ya Nyamira gose be bunge ya county ya Nyamira gose Nyamira County Assembly banyarakaba abagwikirana ase emagacho ye senati aba speaker bo banyaka bagwikirana abosio ya senati nigo bakirana kubwatakana amonogo chika korwa ase ekamati eliye koligerelia obokoreri ase county gose kamati ya devolution asebo igo aba speaker babere Enoch Okero nabo gotadis Nyabaro banyaka bakwireri baga na koerera ebitambogero byanyatoka bikoirera obututukano bukonyaraka bakonekiwa ime ye bunge ye Nyamira asensemo yaye omoske Enoch Okero nigate abuna nigamnyagatiwe korwa ase ebunge nabo igokurusigwa amuna omospika bwe bunge yo maminjaneli chiko nganonye obwate ogochika kurwa seke gambiro kwali gotenania ebitambokero ebyo asensemo yaye omoske Tadius Nyabaro oyurenge omokonyi bw'omospika Okero nigo anyaraka bagote abuna nigo anyatoka bagasoa obisi kolengana gose kubwati alichiko asanyaka bagote basensemo yaye gochika ngwarengo kwatangete ebikaro byebunge bikogenderera na igo kumwirira erego chorwa buna omospika turigali hayagenderete ime ye bunge chinga kecho.
When I
Was the mess in place?
yes, the
And
mess was in
did you
place.
invite a member of the panel?
I did not delegate. Any member who acts on the chair of the speaker, either it's the deputy speaker or a member of the panelist, must get a delegation letter from the speaker. So I never delegated.
You did invite the member to come to your chair?
I did not. As you saw, Honorable Senator, I was just kicked out. So I didn't have that opportunity to
So
present.
if you were kicked out, let the members be on their side. Where were your sergeant at arms? Did they take the mess out, or the mess didn't leave the
They
chamber?
never did that because as later you can be able to see, because we don't want to go to characters, it was a planned thing. So there are some members who were in charge of the whole planning who were part of the sergeant at
So
arms.
what you are saying is that the sergeant at arms actually did not
Perform their duties
they did
as
not,
expected.
They did not pick the mess themselves.
Very true.
So you exited without a mess.
Exactly.
Somebody else
Took
jumped
over.
onto that seat without invitation.
Very true.
Thank you for that clarification.
There are a number of court orders believed to be restraining the County Assembly of Nyamira from undertaking its constitutional statutory legislative duties, thus affecting several operations. In petition number 008 of 2024, the judge ignored a preliminary objection on jurisdiction and proceeded over grant orders in the matter that later she found the court had no jurisdiction. Annexed 33 of the Orange file. Honorable Chair, in a judiciary review E007 of 2024, the judge vacated orders that were granted staying the Gazette notices issued for the impeached Speaker Enoch Ogori Okero. The said Gazette notices had earlier been stayed by another judge on account of being issued by an impeached Speaker.
Na umwancho murigereri chinga kiebikaro ebyo byagenderete ime ye Senate omocho manene o Nairobi liboli limo lyanyarakoba likoreta ebirengere gosiri kumusa ebirengere niliboli igoro yo mwamsiye ward ya Kerenyo yoro mo speaker bwe county assembly ya Nyamira omoske Tadius Nyabaro gose nigagendete koba buna omo MCA gose nigatigete bwa MCA nechinjira aonza chinde anyatokoba gotiga ekeroge kikyo bwa MCA nakoba mo speaker asanyarakoba gakorera buna nigaligete liuko lyokoro kianga otigire mirimo kurinderia ukirio ritaranyara koba rikoiranirwo gwikabone korengana nibirenge biaye atkotebana tiriraba rigoikiranirwo gose rikoiranirwa egento bono iga kirabe gekorigererwa kubwa mono ase echinkwana chiaye chingaki ekiombi gya IPC kiraso obisi na koralia libaga ase obmc yogosekero kyo obmc bwe ward ya Ekerenyo.
Serving my third term.
Third term?
Yes.
Now, have you assumed that to be the speaker?
Yes.
Did you resign?
That matter is the motion that is in court.
No.
And then I will not answer it here.
Just answer.
Yes.
Did you resign?
Yeah, of course, yes.
You resigned from being an MCA?
Yes, I did a letter. And wherever I did with it.
I want you to say yes or no. You are still an MCA.
Until the IPC declares all the I did a letter.
Through the chair.
Okay, we'll interpret.
Through the
Yes.
chair, I'd like to remind Nyabaro that he's under oath. He's still under oath, and he's lying through his teeth.
Okay.
To this committee.
You're under oath, and I think that will take you back. So, on serious note.
I pray, Chair, that you repeat that question to him.
You are a member of Parliament. I mean, the County Assembly of Nyamira. Say yes or no. You are a member.
As at now?
Yes.
Yes, because I'm a member. Because, you know, under Section County Government Act, Section 7B,
that will be done by our team.
a speaker is a member, an ex officio.
No, you are an elected member of the Assembly. Elected member or nominated?
Elected.
Specifically Ekerenyo Ward.
Okay. Have you been a member of, any one time or now? Were you a deputy speaker?
Deputy Speaker, yes.
Before you resumed this one?
Yes.
You are deputy speaker?
Yes,
Okay.
yes. And then after that, acting speaker.
And now?
Yeah.
Not acting?
And now elected as a speaker.
Okay.
Yes.
And then you are still an MCA?
I did a resignation.
Okay. We will interpret that one. Okay.
Through the chair
Question whether they forwarded it or not.
through the chair and through your legal team.
Na omwancho omorigereria gikaro kia rero nigo kia bwateti gose nigo kiachete magiga ye senate gochika omuteneri bwe budget was controller of budget gose abisiaye gwikirana bosi bwe senate na kwene kiabuna njira kie konyara kabage kwena na chibesa gochia ase county ya Nyamira na nene mono obotutukanu oboboga yanta kwene kiwa hagati ye chibunge chibere bunge elie egokorera ibikaro biaye ime ya omochie Onyamira amo neye egokorera ibikaro biaye ase amuchinsemo awa imanyikete buna bunge mashinani kolengana ne abisi yomo controller of budget barabo tibali gokora miremo na mo speaker onde bwensi gose bwe county yonsi baroni go bakora miremo no muwasiri gose omunya committee bwe amangana yechibesa gose treasury korwa ase county chiko se county ao tibali gokora miremo ya masa yamo na aba speaker be county.
You have an next start at page 20.
Yes, but...
So the question I'm asking is, in your due diligence, how do you certify yourself that you are dealing with the right holder of that office? Do you get communication from the clerk? Or do you get communication from the speaker? In case of a dispute in that office, how do you know who is the legitimate office holder? Because that's the issue, that's the problem we are trying to solve. That's why I'm asking you that question.
I actually don't deal with speakers. Let me put it plainly that way. Financial matters rarely go to the speaker. Now, when it comes to issues of passing the budget, I am not part of the passing of the budget. But once passed, once the budget has been passed, it will be forwarded to me because I will oversee the implementation. Really, my mandate starts from implementation. I am not part of the budget making process. So, in this particular instance, as you have seen, if I'm in any doubt about the speaker who is in office, I will normally ask the head of the treasury. But since I do not deal directly with the speaker, I expect that if there are any changes, it is the county treasury that will alert.
Na mwanjo muligereri bono nigo eligereirie buna chingaki senate egochiko ikaransa na kuligereria chingwane chichonsi na boigo ibikore byonsi byanyako bikonekiwa ime ya senate litukolia lero ninki senate rajikukwana igoro ye county ya Nyamira igekorupwa gose recommendation eli senate ranyako bachigekorwa elikonyarkaba gekokora obututukanu bwagenda konekiwa ime ye bunge yo ye county ya Nyamira kolende asogokorera echine chingwana chia agati ya aba senator gose ine chingwana chia omo senator bwe county ya Kisii chingwana chia omo senator bwe county ya Nyamira chingwana chia omo speaker Enoch Okero na boigo chingwana chia omo speaker Thaddeus Nyabaro ase ogokorera egekaro kiritukolia lero bosio we senate.
Because it's political, this problem is not. I really want to plead with chair and this committee that any recommendations were made that will be made should be recommendations to make sure that all of you can sit down as brothers and agree so that we can sort out. Nyamira is an embarrassment to me as a senator from Kisii. It is an embarrassment to our country because you deserve better. We know you have issues with the governor. We know you have issues with the sitting or the former speaker, whatever you call him. You're all children of the same mother. I beg you, be courageous enough to call each other even this evening, sit down, and please agree.
Chair, let me say what we wish for every devolved unit is that it works for the good of the Kenyan people in that county. But for this one, Chair, I think the theatrics are at another level. Yes. I'm sorry. Thank you.
Yes, Chair. At the end of the day, issues affecting Nyamira will be solved by the people who reside in Nyamira. That is me, Senator, you as honorable members of Assembly, and the Governor. Everything that you see making that count on the headlines for the wrong reasons will ultimately reflect on the leadership of Nyamira. The Constitution sets the executive and the county assembly. And the person who should be in the forefront in ensuring that there is unity, there is one assembly, is the governor. So I hope, Chair, at the end of these proceedings, we'll get a solution that will give the people of Nyamira an opportunity to have one assembly. You can have disagreements. We disagree with Honorable Nyonka, but at the end of the day this afternoon, we'll retreat to one Senate, called the Senate of the Republic of Kenya. So despite the disagreements that you may have, please have one county assembly. The issues that have come here before this afternoon, if they are not resolved, they will degenerate to something worse for the county assembly, for the executive, and for the people of Nyamira. So let's try and get a solution that brings all of you together, sort your differences within one assembly. That is the only message I have.
It's not that we are greedy for power, but our hearts are bleeding. It's only in Nyamira that a consignment of empty breweries can be flagged as in the name of drugs. It's only in Nyamira that the governor can pay himself 5.6 million.
Honorable Chair.
Mr. Governor.
Honorable Chair.
Mr. Chair, I'm saying on behalf of the people of Nyamira,
Honorable Chair,
the governor is not here. You cannot discuss.
The major problem we have, Honorable Chair, the major problem we have, Honorable Chair, is the set of Congo Umogeni. It's the problem of Nyamira. Honorable Chair, give me an opportunity to speak.
Chairman. Honorable Chair, I withdraw and apologize, Honorable Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. I want to appreciate the committee for giving us an opportunity, and also thank my honorable members that we have been bestowed with a great responsibility to serve the people of Nyamira. We have an opportunity to come back, work together. My hands are open to welcome my friends. We work together, we push Nyamira forward. We have a timeline. 5 years is not a long time. Next year we are engaging campaigns. We have an opportunity to come together and do service delivery. I want to appreciate the opportunity and also welcome my senator, my learned counsel who I love so much, that if we resort and go back home, we can be able to solve this issue without coming to the Senate. So, my Senator, I welcome you.
Chair.
You have enough wisdom. We can be able to move forward. Thank you very much.
Na mwanchumo ligerali togotigana na ayo ye bunge ya Nyamira kurwa sa senati ya Nairobi nikotoka na ugase bunge ya South Mugirango kwa mono ase wodi ya Bugetenga chinsemo chenyabigena ase abaiji berigena aliegware banyaka bagwesoke na kwemurungana kwa murungania kubwatikana no gotabuna nigo litibo lyabo ase konya abakuiya egware lyanya tukaba ligotichwa nabo nigo babolya serikali ya county na serikali ya Westernania na kuborbolera asaywa elinde banyaka ko bakugendera kwenyorera engelia yabo unagotumanya umurikito diponi asanya
Eken nekerero kyabamenyi be wodi ya Bugetenga gutukemeye bunge ya South Mugirango hasokonyora obokoreri mamincha nechira chiriba bete bakulierwa
na kongsana turaisogoteba nga andaka bande waitu twacha bani mambi yabo no tukagirete nga eire twalire tuyekiragita kia nyago tubura libwagirire nyako nyamagena trosiji sanamu tosomeria bana baitu lakini kiragita gigiacheta igagigatuba
nonyana boni go bono baichanirete gekorekeiga kubwatekano no bakorusia engere yabo ya kirarituko
noche muna toende to kolega sie nkonguga munorochega ebiragite bibia chaga kero bachitega nona alenga muinogali bagatotebi bataite gutukururire kire kwende mabwaga yaiga no tukuragira kuru
amagena yatariga okago akokonya abantu banyaramba tabaka ward akonya abantu bakali Nairobi ebinde byagenda paka ngumbu emechando tuarega is understanding teyo no gabana tamayitinge gentengere kya muhimu
gukona nabamenyia bwe nigo bono batebanga ebikora byobusalia nigo birachikogenderera komenteka
engeri yiga nereko genyono sorubwa kanu nonye no mugawa no wa kanu itachi twa kana bono nyogo totige gesunte kengabuneke iga
korusinari endagera baminta serikali yaito soro na simba Kaibono bagenda gakimokonya bangina motagete obibiba kuchogirango enaka getenga serikali ngotorosaliane nge bintu bitakorosie bisonge etorosaliri gorire bintu bicha igoro nande gomoko toitatole moyo
asomoke boko moikero mwe MCA borgongorwe nigesokia na kwigirira engane yiga
njasa magita omosimi osamwe mauti yo bogetenga ward yogotoka South Mugirango no ekembata kete como korusie masini banyirani that was on a Sunday lakini nende tukaigwana paka twakwane na e contract nyana tukaigwana na etweigwana na kipoint bare koigura mabwabo setro 3 points ekiba igwana nete kubatika no itwa chorete baje gukora e Monday igokuru Saturday paka Monday igobimba beto amutuka atatu ndu isa degete nauto ngwakero ngabana ngambu ya muno ya mono ya muno aindeka ekiagera kerona bwatete ki story abata baganiri ekerata inga emyake mengi lakini finally ya yatege katoka
Chinga kecho ni gaboria bali bachakire siasa kwa mwari baga irekerania magenderero
asangu chere ntwabo itike siasa bono iga na magendero noyo kwa na siasa bono tinga itingo nyogo korera onyo sabu abantu in any capacity we are not serving an individual eto sabu abantu in a group not one person mumroyo nyero otagitenya no muntu ya mago abusabu tigarore na yawe usabu y'umuntu yoyo
boigoni galieira yogo chigo ikiranie miremo yaye atabwati bwanchereri bonde
twa tigaire ange twanda abiyas yani obora igwane intete nsabu abantu ntari go favor anybody ya ainde again tuntatagiti no burimo bosenga tumie oborimo kokeini oborimo mbo kogenda mwishowe wananchi watakiwa ukweli ni gani na uongo ni gani
Natandiya magena chiko kongonta ngoro motoriro na nyorire magena tayo Iwago magena ichoira maraba ichoire. Osoro tokonye na Simba gakia serikali yetu tokonye.
Kuripoti gatasaini kiao kia Gatembe kuruiga ase wodi ya Bogetenge gutoka Meya South Mugirango litira na igonkoro kwa Dipon Asanya.
Mwanjo muligere na mange na kwarigariria se kionga chinsa ibere ka kubwati gusikomenta nayo ne skuru ayemo gotoka se bunge West Mugirango ikorukungaria Mandera iyo gotebekananga nige bwata borkwa emerongo ene iyoka ase ebirenge gose ebitambukira aho bigante koligwa eliko nyaraka bapi gokonya skuru eyo tunyanyore magiga yo mutimo ko kolinde esboniga nigo tokonyora enkwana yeri tuko nde tokoirana tumaye kogendera ne kionga chinsa ibere gotoskochia
Sinari ndagera baminta serikali yetu Osoro na Simba ngaibono bagenda gakimokonya bangina motageto biba kuchogirango okyabana baito koiba bare ware nere gotorageri nto bwatia se tokorema aki mochari yachi goitera ngonya ntorko bache ware to mukeri gori enaka getenga serikali ngotorosalia nge bintu bitakorosie bisonge etorosalia gori bintu bicha igoro na ndio moko to itatole moyo.
Eduka yo bomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolide ilikuwa tukachirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira soko raisia ebintu biria bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chechi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chire chikomentre nigwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekari guri iriya bantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wekabunuraganie wochoganire erangiyiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwa yenyora wekirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi nabwigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara njibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Mwanjo muligereri karibu ande togendere ne kionga chinsa ibere eskuru ye secondary ya Mandera gotoke wodi ya Busamaro ime ye bunge ya West Mugirango county ya Nyamira nigo ebiri bwate aborokigwa emerongene yoka gusumwa kwetariyo ya gwatabana emerongene yoka gendukirira omukonyi bo mu county commissioner bwe county ya Nyamira Florence Obunga kubwaterana amo nabagambi nabo igo habaraibe chingencho aho bechinsa meji kumirana na koligia ebitambukiro aho baranyaka bagotoria eskuru eyo na gokinia ebirengo bya eskuru eyo kone nigo banyaka bakomochie siasa chimbe ansikero gatahamna nabo chibwateraniri esoko kolya bobe eskuru eyo sababu lyo mujumbe bwebunge yo omuske Moske sababu omojumbe bwe bunge yuo ombwakiri Steve Mugaka gwestana nigatia na kwena kiabuna ngokonya bale eskuru yumu na gutumanyia omuliki ito Fatigadi Gisemba.
Nase eskuru ejeiga ya Riamandere eje gotoka ase wodi ya Busamaro ebunge ya West Mugirange county ya Nyamira asetamu eje ya erire bono babwate aborokiwa inse yemerongo ene eskuru enkima nigo ibarasa enene yakorwa rero ase eskuru eyo eriokorya chinjira baraye konye.
Tulipofungua shule Januari tulikuwa tuna wanafunzi 14 na as I speak this afternoon mwalimu alituambia wako na watoto sasa karibu 40, but nilipoongea na mwalimu jana aliniambia 61, kwa sababu kuna wengine ambao tayari wameshow interest ya kukuja next term.
Kwa board of management ya Riamandere Secondary, ukuje na nia nzuri ya kujenga shule, ukuje na nia nzuri ya kuhakikisha ya kwamba tunapata watoto wengi wale ambao wataingia kwa hii shule. Tuko na watoto wetu wale ambao walisoma kwa hii shule, tunawaomba wakae chini waone vile watasaidia hii shule isimame.
Aiga ni omusasiroti omonene bwe kanisa ya Catholic St. Raphael Nyagemi Fata Benedict Omare abakureire abanyakenyoro bari Amandere gutiga siasa chimbe igoro yeskuru egento kyare maririe kisemi.
Hii community shida yenye iko hapa, siasa ndio inaua shule. Sitaki kusema ni siasa inagani, lakini nimegundua kwamba kuna watu fulani wanakaa mabrokers wa shule. Na watu fulani wanaenda mbele, wanachigamba, wanasuia hata yule mwalimu ambaye ameingia afanye kazi yake. Walimu ambao mnaona huko they are professionals. Ambaye na university 4 years, patia mwalimu nafasi afanye kazi yake.
Eskuru ejeiga igo ebwate abarimu bezrekari 5 na igo abaibori bari babwate abana ase eskuru eria y'ubroso ya Riamandere ase klasi ya kianda basabirwe bonzi kubareta aboroki wabo ase secondary ya Riamandere.
Zazi, si kuna watoto hapo grade 9, kuna form 1, next year kuna form 2. Mbona watoto wasitolewa hapo wote waletwa hapa? Kuna shule inaitwa Nyakurio. Na watoto huko pia. Wale watoto wakae transfer directly wote wakuje huko. Mimi kama father nitatoa hata mahindi 100, maharagwe 100, ndizi nitakuwa naletea watoto hapa kila siku. Najua hii shule haitalala tukiwa hapa. Mimi nipe nafasi ya spiritual patronage ya shule.
Abaibori bekenyoro ekeiga basabirwe guchakira itamu egocha kuna nerebuya kubareta abana.
Watu wetu wa Riamandere watari wote pamoja tuwe tayari kupeleka watoto hapa kwa hii shule. Watoto wangu hawezi toka Njoro waache St. Joseph Secondary School wakuja Riamandere. Ufanya nini?
Injena akaigure kadi no tunga na ukisi school and the rest. Igabata ngokiona bielea. Inkino motako undira ndise ucha gutundira. Igobuna twakwana guchakira mambia abana bache tunde school yetu nebateki. Ngiokorero mwana muongori ne school yetu nebateki. Let them come here.
Ese moyende baburirie abarai abubachorire kuna omobunge o West Mugirango Moske Stephen Mugaka korija chinjira eriogokonya eskuru ejeiga.
Mheshimiwa wetu Steve, hii pesa ya CDF vile shule imekaa, kwa sababu last time ilisikia ya kwamba hawakutoa pesa ya parcel kuja kwa shule kwa sababu watoto wako wachache. Mimi ningemuomba kwa wale ambao wako na wale wengine watakuja, at least atafute njia ya kulipia watoto school fees ndio hao watoto wakuje wasome.
Chingaki ejecho nigo omuinjinia oyiboigore omwana siasa korwase county ya Nyamira James Kemoni wetrase omuwakilisho ye John Marube achakira okubwatoka obokonyi bwendagira asaborokiwa abo barache gusoma aroro guchakira etamu ya kabere
gantumira iga nanda balengerelinga karokende na karanji program kale gotoka kara abana mbale school lakini asenge njona nyorera mangana ngabana mbaketa se school ranji aya na bonko yirwa chibando cha shilingi 1000
Egeto yaberege kubekwa anene ase skuru eyeiga ye secondary ya Riamandere egegotoka emeye ward ya Busamaro ebunge ya West Mugirange county ya Nyamira puna abanyakenyoro banje eskuru eyeiga na kubeka siasa ensemo puna enchira eyemo yogosegeta Kisemi hinko reporter Gatembe kurwase county ya Nyamira Mjefatigad Gisemba
Mwanjo moligirigo kolera abantu nigo basemigwe kuba maiso chinga kibagenda gutumeka chipara kuba mono kubwatekana amone basakana mebe agendete kogendera aniga kwanwa amo nerombe ayo yaikirana ase chinsemo chia jelibunge yegwoli yaligoma azabanya kabago chakie kiombe gyogwesira baraboka manyene abwe ase chinsemo chiebunge ya Borabu munago tumanya mulikyo ito Volcap Okara
naso musangerekano yoiga bwokorosie sako hananene yabana bodaboda korwase ewade yeligoma musangerekano ikiranwa amo nomo regional manager bwekiombe kirikyo bosera ase chibara kya NTC asireta Adan Adoa nyakirugo bwe erumbejiga ya bodaboda korwase rugongora Masaba North Dominic Babu abarai obe secretary ya bodaboda korwase nseme chiga omo deputy base commander korwase rugongorwa Kiroka egati ya barai bande
mukisave kwa hizo SACCOS unaweza tumia akili wiki hii ukikatia mtu mmoja insurance next week mwingine hiyo wiki nyingine mtu watatu wa nne at the end of the month or after 2 months each and everyone atakuwa na insurance na zimutakuwa safe
ukwanekereke igani gabara yabe gabaye kiria soko igorogwe sake yiga yendo batebere kirat kunyara kabage kubakonya kubosiranya stibesa ejo kirabakonya kwegendereria
sabale na to achakire because to form area se group ito endo ke sako so we want to urge those members bakora to chake with that spirit egara tokonya ke gochimoto ima itenga to atule rangos lakini bwana we have settled them down asoko nyole certificate award
ukwanekereke iga adoni gagendere ko bagakubasemya abananchi kuba maiso chinga kibago tarase chibara na bwego kubulya bana boda boda kuba maiso na bwego nabagende bechigali na ne chinga kichige mbule nyinge eyo agendete gotwase orugongo rwagusi.
You know that the schools are closing and also there's it's a rainy season and Pasaka is also on the way, so we will be having joint enforcements in liaison with the National Police Service, but nevertheless it will boil down to the individual responsibility. We always talk through many forums and also through the barazas, the chief baraza, the Ngao structure, to ensure that this message gets to the last person for purposes of ensuring that we change our behavior as road users, because just the other day we lost, and many of these accidents are attributing to the issue of drunk driving. And I want to urge the members of the public to take responsibility for their own lives.
Omweli oye nigo boseme bwiga buratunyara kobo kubakonya abantu bonsi abo baranyara ko babakubwate machiko yebara nanene asoko bosiranya abo nebyombe ebibira abakonya kwegendereria ase ebinyorona boyigo namagimabo abanyene
dosiegete adio da swa association yitwa jogero se jisako ondo bwezi naboko swara kirindu abegari jigo bakoko ruveting ne jikomiti jibegere ji ward weather chirole no nyare ko gende speed eri bachere gera bonega aba chairman babwate jisage je speed bagoja gochierere igoro na ina aramagendo totete as Masaba North
eginko report digitasini kyo wanjite kyagatembe koroiga sinseme chiga che ward yeligoma imeye bunga ya heiga yabagetutu wa Masabe county ne ya Nyamira inchego ngoro kwa Polycarp Okara
Mwancho muligirali noto kolera kiunga chinsa iberabu lituko eligali alero alia chumanne chitariki sana isato umotienyi okane umwaka bwechirwe na 2025 kulende lere na semi gwaiga nga onye kokagete ngae neliraika kuikwero beli gose obange kigima koro kya chimbaba chiao gose rangi yao gekara bante mwetenga lirake gwetu kuikalitwale chimbaba nande libe lirabu onye tobwati mbaba nande toli murabu toliraika aye mwanya bantu bunonde bwensi kugotiga no bosemia abwa getembe kuraso mwaka ocho inyambasora njeni gongoro kwaro ni ototo nyangiri kuransema imenyeririe to bwaterana ere Wilson Makoli nawe kuransema transmission to bwaterana ere Kevin Ongeri gose DJ Atsan twara oboligirio buja imenya getembe TV kiunga kya Mungusi
Bagaka ninjo, ninjo getembe, ninjo dorome, ninjo manana man, ninjo bagina ninjo.
Aya nyakenywera bande. Nkwana gutuna gichuri mwara buno mumero goncha.
nyakinywera banda yaya ibintu bya bandi byugo kuna kuria aje bya tutagitiba ndika bakurie byao aya nyakinywera bande nkwana gutuna gichuri mwao ore buno momero gonja karaba ntuko baterekira marua mumena bokorogire sembu yere ngo twere ozinga kiekale bona nyakinywera bande nkwana kubeka marumu nyumba mwao nga kiole ora bintu bya bandi byugo teberere tai ine nkwana gutworo kelinga tigata intwe twebeke buya no remba ntu bacha no ni chinka chito twaba no bwama to buya twakwanania eliegere ntona kona kogenda ubandi nga no bandi ayi abandi byuko kuna kuli oba ayotagete unakogeni kubotambe ayenkwana kogeni bantu bwao aya nyakenywera banda aya yo mung'inori aya nyakeliera banda aya nyakenywera bandu mwakoli nkwana gutuna gichuri mwahora buno momero gonja
Pagaka ninjo, ninjo etembe, ninjo dorome, manana man, pangina ninjo.
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolide iri kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi mense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biria bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao nabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chire chikomentre nigwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri lyabantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wekabunuragani bwochoganire erangiyiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores nabo kwegena muna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora gwikirano tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi nabo igo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibya